Hey guys, I'm Barbie Angel and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm so excited because I'm giving you guys a empty, unofficial house tour a little bit. The video that you guys are about to see, I filmed it when we were going for our inspection of our house. That's probably the only video I have before we kind of moved in. So I figured I could show you guys that as like an unofficial empty house tour. And then when I, begin my whole series of house to home, I can show you guys as I'm decorating and things like that. But I just wanted you guys to see what the house looked like before we did all of our like renovations and remodeling and all of that. So I am so excited for you guys to see and everything that we're going to be doing to it. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. So when you first walk in, you have our dining room on your right hand side. And then over here on the left, we have our formal living room. We have like really high ceilings throughout our house, which I really love. And then here's just what our entryway looks like. The door leads to our basement. And then here is our half bath. As you can see, there's so much wallpaper, and you'll see it throughout the rest of the video as well. There's so much wallpaper throughout this house. And here is our office space, and this space is actually being used by my husband right now as his like gaming room. As you can see, more wallpaper. Here's another view from our dining room. And then here is our family room. I love that there is so many windows. It's nice and airy in here. There's so much natural daylight that comes in here. I just love how open this space is. Then here's our fireplace with the marble stone, and the marble stone is actually accented on like all of the light fixtures and all of that. Then here is our kitchen. Our kitchen is very spacious, but as you can see, it is so outdated with the wallpaper and the flooring and all of the like dark cabinets. So this is one project that we definitely cannot wait to begin, just kind of updating this kitchen. All right, guys, let's go upstairs. One thing I really love and definitely wanted to incorporate in finding a home was being able to look over, just to kind of look over to the family room and look over downstairs, especially with like kids and things like that. It's so great to see what's going on downstairs when you're upstairs. And this is our first spare bedroom, and this one we have designated as a guest room, and is the smallest room in the house. And then here is our daughter's bathroom, and this bathroom will actually be used as a guest bathroom as well if we do ever have any guests or whatever. And here is our second spare bedroom, and this room we have designated as a baby's room. God willing, we do have any additional children. And then here is our daughter's room. She definitely has the second biggest room in the house. We wanted her to have, enough space for all of her toys and things like that, just in case we decide not to do a playroom in here, just so that her room doesn't get too crowded with things. And then here is our laundry room. It's so convenient that it's upstairs and it's right across from my husband and I's room and our daughter's room, so we love having it up here. And then here is our master bedroom. It's very spacious in here. I love that we have the double doors leading into our bedroom and then leading into our bathroom as well. And then here is our bathroom. So as you can see, it's very outdated in here. It has the wallpaper all over and the flooring and everything like that. But there's so much potential here. And I love that we have the jacuzzi tub and the standing shower. I definitely wanted a house that had a jacuzzi tub in it, even though I haven't even used the tub yet. But it's so good to have it. And then with this big space that we have over here, I contemplated just kind of making a second closet for myself, but I actually have turned this into my YouTube studio, and I also will be adding like a couch and a TV in here and just make it like my little like personal sitting area. And then over here we have my makeup and vanity area. And then over here we have our closet. I am so excited to have our like glam custom closets installed, so I can't wait to get started on that. Alright guys, let's go out back. Alright, so here is our backyard. I love how spacious it is. There's so much space for my daughter to run around, and then here is what our house looks like from the back. As you can see, there is a lot of space out here. Like I said in our previous video, we definitely wanted a pool, but since we don't have one yet, we're hoping that we can have one installed here shortly. And then here is the inside of our gazebo. And this will be great for like cookouts and things like that with family. We have a 3-car garage. And then last but not least, here is our basement. So like I said, our basement is unfinished. We have so many ideas that we want to do down here. We want to put a movie theater, we want to add a bar and just kind of like a lounge area, especially for when we have guests over and things like that. But yeah, there's a lot of space down here, but there's so much work that needs to be done. But this is another project that we are so excited to start as well. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, our house, it's so much work that has to be done to kind of transform our house to make it like our official dream house, but the layout is there, the space is there, and we are so excited to even go on this like house to dream home journey. Like we're so excited. We are so blessed to even be able to be homeowners, something that we both really wanted, and for our first time buying a house for it to be our dream house. We're so excited, and like I said in my previous video, I'm so excited to share this journey with you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my house to home videos, and leave a comment below and just tell me anything or ask me questions about the home buying process. I have so many videos coming out, so stay tuned for more. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, join the family. I appreciate all of the support. It's free, just hit the subscribe button. But I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.